everyone. So this is going to be sort of like a vlog type of thing. In the beginning of the video, I am here with Miss Nasi. Oh, all you see is her leg. Hello. So we just filmed the Bean Boozle challenge thingy. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, I'm going to link it up here. Go and check that one out. So we were decided, why don't we film the spicy noodle challenge? So we are going to be heading out and we're going to be trying to look for it. So hopefully we do actually find it and you guys can actually see this video. So yeah, let's just go. Alright, I'm going to give her the camera because I cannot be vlogging while driving. This lighting is like terrible. See, it's so different, like, vlogging with you than vlogging with Manish. Because my brother is socially awkward on camera. He really is. Like, he doesn't know how to act. What is this food smart? It's Food Town. Jesus. She thought we were in Food Smart. What is even Food Smart? I don't know. Do you do grocery shopping? I'm vlogging. Oh, some kids said I'm vlogging. Where is the noodle section? Do I go grocery shopping? That's enough. She doesn't even do laundry. I mean, granted, I don't do laundry either. I don't think it's like Chinese food. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, it's Korean, but we need noodles. Oh, wait. No, that's rice. In the US of A, they don't really differentiate. In the US of A. They don't. They suck at differentiating. Oh, man. Okay, I think we found it. Or, I don't know. It should be somewhere here. Wherever there is ramen, it has to be here. Is it this? Is it? I don't think so. Are we just gonna have to like do with this though? Maybe we can just use that because I'm not going to. Hold on. Let me see what noodle they use. Spicy noodle. What are we gonna do? Let's act Instagram. Let's do that. Oh, this is so bright. Really bad lighting, but I posted something up on Instagram. So I'm waiting for everyone to respond and tell us what to do. So we're just gonna go to get coffee to hopefully get that nasty bean flavor out of our mouth. Literally, I think what had happened is it got stuck in my teeth, and that's all I taste now. So and we ate like lobster rolls, trying to get that taste. I know, like you know the red lobster roll. I had it in my fridge. I was like probably 2 days old, but it's fine. It tasted fine. It's fine. And we are waiting for our yeah, you can totally come and you can totally cook for us because we are in desperate need of like really good food. My parents are in Guyana, so it's really just me and him, and none of them know how to cook. What she just did. So I have the car on and like the AC, it's so hot here. I have the AC on, it's on like 63 and it's blowing mad hard. We're like, why is it blowing hot air? And we're sitting in here for like a good 15 minutes. We're like, I didn't start the car. Oh my god. You're so funny. Do you have flour, Hope? Yes, what? I think so. Baking soda? No. I know for a fact we don't have baking soda. Okay, change of plans. We're not going to be doing the noodle thing. Because we are not driving to Walmart. Yeah. Walmart's really far. So we did like the Instagram thing and everyone's kind of saying no. I think this is like also like played out at this point. So we're just going to keep it as a vlog. Because I know a lot of you guys want to see like a vlog and like kind of get to know, I guess, my personality a little bit more. So we're gonna vlog. So we're just gonna like buy a couple of stuff. We're gonna go by her house. You'll probably see my boyfriend. He'll be like really uncomfortable and awkward, but that's fine. And we'll probably cook. So hopefully maybe he barbecues and I'll make some soup.
I'll try to make some chocolate chip cookies. Hopefully that works out.
I'm gonna give her my recipe because my recipe is really, really good.
You know what we should buy? Walnuts.
Again, we're gonna go get the stuff and then we'll see you guys back. Bye!
Bye!
We can only play like 15 seconds of it.
Oh, show because of the copyright thing?
I don't even know this song
And we are on the move heading to my house. Yes. Where we will be cooking, barbecuing, and baking cookies.
So hopefully Manish is like comfortable enough to take the camera a little bit and vlog. But I highly doubt it, but I'm gonna, I'll try.
We'll try to like
Get him to
convince him. I'm like, how do you, when you have so many things, like so many makeup products, like how do you choose which one to use? You know, it's difficult. I have like 4 brushes.
She literally has 4 brushes.
They're my go-to brushes. I have like 1 contour palette. Okay, a bunch of eyeshadows, but that's thanks to you.
Yeah.
I now have a bunch of highlighters too, also thanks to her.
Yeah, I gave her the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight because I wasn't using it, so I was like, I'm just giving it to her.
Yes, and then for my birthday, she bought me the Ofra Cosmetic highlighter, which is amazing.
Glow goals, you guys know.
Amazing. And then also the Too Faced Born This Way concealer.
But anyways, we're heading to her, so we're gonna be cooking and stuff. So when we get there, we'll show you guys everything that we bought. So yeah.
Hi, say bye.
We are here. They are honestly like chickens without a head looking for stuff.
What?
What?
You need what?
1 garlic. 1 garlic, yes.
Catch.
No!
What else do you need? Onions?
Yes, 1 onion.
White or we only have white?
What's the difference?
There's red onions,
Oh.
which look like this.
No.
And then there's 1.
Yeah, 1. Say hi, babe.
Hello.
And then there's white onions, which look
He's
like
going to be barbecuing the chicken, which is right here. I'm just seasoning chicken here. You guys know the, what is it, the gnocchi soup at Olive Garden? That's what I'm making, but without the gnocchi, because that shit is so hard to find. Do you know what I'm talking about?
I don't even know what a gnocchi is.
It's like,
You say gnocchi, I think Nokia.
no, it's kind of like, how do I explain it? It's like potato, but like the Italian version of potatoes. Like that.
Yeah, what's 2 3/4 divided by 2?
You're asking the wrong person. So what we're gonna do is just kind of like do a time lapse because I think it'll be just way too long.
Yeah.
Of us just kind of cooking.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
It's 1.3. Alexa, play Soca radio. We're just gonna be like, what the fuck?
Send a reader from Pandora.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cannibal says she ready.
Like we had a cook show. It's like a cook show. She said she feels like Martha Stewart. What? Isn't the lady that cooks? Yeah, exactly. It just means she doesn't cook ever.
That's true. I really don't. How do you open this?
Hence, she doesn't cook.
You know what I came for? I'ma throw it.
It says 1 tablespoon. 1, 2. Well, I guess I was wrong.
Oh my god!
Oh no, my God! I thought she was wrong. everything is officially done. We look exhausted and oily. That is okay, but thank you so much for watching. If you guys like all of these vlogs, let me know down below in the comments and we will do more of them. So bye.